In this lesson, I will explain to you how to insert items into a list. So you have to use dot insert function to define an index to insert an item. Before going to start, I will explain to you these 3 points that inserts means dot insert function does not overwrite. In the last lesson, we have learned that the function will override, but the insert function will not override. It increases index by 1 at and above the insertion point. Can use to append a new index to the end of the first list. Now I have written this example for you and I will explain to you these 3 points with the help of example. So first, the variable I have made for you is student underscore list, which is initialized by 3 items, that is Rubab, Fatima and Robert, and these 3 R's are separated by comma and enclosed in the square bracket. It means this is the list, because this is the definition of the list. All the items should be separated by comma and it should be enclosed in the square bracket. So print student underscore list before. This is the list before Rubab, Fatima and Robert. Now if you want to add a new student name in this list, maybe on the second level or the third level or the zero index level, right? So you can do this with the help of dot insert function. We discussed append function in the last lesson. Append function always adds or always extend the list at the end, but insert function, with the help of insert function, you can insert the string or integer anywhere wherever you want. So here I said index 0 is, so now 0 index is 0 bob, because index always you have to count from 0, 0, 1, 2. So this is before. I will run for you and then I will do some modification, then we will see the difference. So student list before, see, student list before is Rubab, Fatima and Robert. Index 0, index 0 is Rubab and index 1 is Fatima. Same thing, if you want you can write down index 2 is Robert, you can add here. See here, index 0 is Rubab and after this backslash n represents a new line. So index 1 will come up here in the new line. If we will remove this backslash n from here and here, it will print in the one line only. Index 0 is Rubab, index 1 is Fatima, but backslash n means new line, right? Now here when we will insert, so I will show you the difference. Now where you want to insert, it will not overwrite, it will add a new name. So I said student underscore list variable name dot insert and 0. So Rubab is 0. So instead of Rubab, now we can have Alex. I said okay, Alex should come here, and then the same thing, it will print index 1 is index 0, index 2 and same thing. So see here, I will move for you so you can see easily. So when I will run this code, see here, it says student list after is now Alex, Rubab, Fatima and Robert, and index 1 is Rubab. Do not say that Alex is 1. Always index you have to count from 0, 0, 1. So Rubab is 1, Alex is 0, Fatima is 2. If you want to add Robert, then you have to add here same line, right? Backslash n index which 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is student list 3. Then you can see index 3 is Robert as well. So this is the difference. It will not overwrite, it will add a new string or integer or float, whatever you want, right? Okay, one more example. Print student underscore list before, right? It will print before, so you can see the difference. Now student underscore list dot insert, where we have to insert at the fourth position. So where is 4? 0, 1, 2, 3. A new, the new will be the fourth, right? So after Robert, I said Pushpa should come up here. So see here I have mentioned the third point can use to append a new index to the end of the list. So append, dot append always adds at the end of the string. But here we are also inserting. We are using the insert function, but we are adding at the end. So here you can say insert and append both are same because we are adding or we are extending our list at the end. So see what will happen when I will run this code. So this is before because I said before Alex, Rubab, Fatima, Robert before this one, and then backslash n means new line. Alex, Rubab, Fatima, Robert and Pushpa. So Pushpa is added at the end of the list. So here you can say that insert and append at this point where insert will add at the end, both have the same function. But insert, with the help of insert you can insert anywhere in your list, but append always add at the end of the list. Now it is your job to practice it. If you have any question you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.